Right guys, this is the teardown to find out what the turbo leak is. So as we get into this, there are screws missing, which isn't an issue. They're just a couple of T25s, probably got some lying around. Right, and this is the easy part. And it's in bits, nice and easy. So there is no blockage. Oh, there's a bit of grime. And looking into there, yeah, we can see daylight looking through. Sorry for the bad filming, guys. Yeah, more grot and grime, but it's clear. We can see light through it. So that's that bit done. Carefully stored to the side, just lobbed. Right, trusty old screwdriver. Phillips head on there. We need to undo 1, 2, nice and easy. Oh, and we put it onto undo. That's that one. Undo the second one. There's that one. Set the screwdriver down. So that's the air filter undone. And Mighty Car Mods represent. There will be more gloves coming. One of my proud sponsors is sourcing me some gloves for this project. Quite hard to do one-handed. Bit of brute force though. Sorry for the bad filming. When I yank this out. There we go. One air filter. Quite grotty on this side. And pure filth on that side. So if I take this to the ground, you see the grime that's coming out of there. That is, well, done and dusted. Should be that colour. So as you can see, there's a fair amount of soot going back up inside there, which is not helping that engine breathe at all. So that, guys, is our can't even speak, low boost fault issue. It cannot breathe air in. So once this car is started without the airbox on, it should start lovely. Now, looking inside, yeah, not too bad. Could do with a little hoover out, nothing major, but we still have this exhaust leak. So moving the screwdriver, bit of brute force, pull the engine cover off. There's our little 2-litre baby, and as we can see, there's soot rising up, and it seems to be located over this side. That oil leak doesn't look that bad, actually. It looks like it could be tipped oil. Okay, so There's our boost fault. In the comments I will put the name of the boost fault. Can't remember off the top of my head.